Welcome back to the channel. A common question that we get all the time is how long do wood chips last in a Back to Eden garden? Today we're going to answer that for you. That question can be a little bit difficult to answer, and here's why. Simply because there are many different types of wood chips. You get mulch from different places. You can have hardwood mulch. You could have, pine mulch. You can have different types of mulch, and also you can have different sizes. It could be shredded, chipped, the sizes could vary a lot. So that's going to play a big difference in how long things are breaking down in the garden. Now, we've added several different types to our garden here over the last 2 years. And let's show you, we've added wood chips on each bed one time. And you can go watch all those videos that we've done before on the Back to Eden garden on our channel. So go check those out. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you here. So this bed was constructed 2.5 years ago, and it was constructed out of hardwood mulch. And the pieces were fairly big. Now, we did add last year over the top of it our own chipped mulch from our chipper here on the homestead, and that contained both hardwood and softwoods in it. And as you can see, it has overgrown with weeds, and that is because it has broken down almost completely into soil on the top here. And we are going to need to amend this pretty thick on the top, or else we're going to have a weed problem here. So that's what essentially the thing with Back to Eden garden is, if you don't continually add on to it, you're gonna get overtaken with weeds, and like a regular garden. So a great aspect of heavy mulch gardens, like the Back to Eden method, is the fact that you don't get a lot of weed growth, you get moisture retention, so on and so forth. But you can go again and watch our other videos on building the Back to Eden garden. Today, I just wanted to highlight how quickly these broke down. So we're in Zone 8B in East Texas, and it does get quite hot here in the summer. And we do get a fair amount of rain, or at least we have for the last 3 years. Past 3 years ago, we were in a drought situation, but this garden wasn't built at that point. I'll bring you in for a tight shot here, and you can see just how well this is broken down. This is the bed where we had our Chinese cabbage this past winter, and they have all been pulled out. You can see a dead one right here. It's broken down, and we pulled the rest out. But let's pull back what we've got here, and we've got actually tremendous weed growth, and I really need to get on this. I'm a little late this summer, or this spring. Look at that, almost no wood chips here in the center of the bed anyway. That can be seen. It is all broken down into a really beautiful soil. The only spots where we have wood chips here remaining is just a little bit on the edge, and it's really not that much. I'm not sure why the edges have retained some of, probably because the water drains off better, but they've retained some wood chips here, just a thin layer on the top. All the rest is completely broken down. That's what happened in our garden, in our zone, with the wood chips that we put on it, folks. So it breaks down quite quickly. You need to continue to amend it with those wood chips if you want to continue with the Back to Eden method. So, obviously it's going to vary from place to place and from wood chip to wood chip, but you get the general idea. We're excited you're here. Thanks so much, and we will see you on the next video. And also, don't forget to subscribe. We want you here on a permanent basis. We want you to go visit us on countrylivingexperience.com. We've got a lot of stuff over there about our family, about our experience here homesteading. Thanks so much. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.